Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to make this cute bear face appliques. Now this can be done in two easy steps. The first step would be to make a flat circle that would make the face of the bear followed by the ears, and the next step would be to make the snout as well as the eyes and the bow and then sew them to the face. That will complete your bear face. So this is a very interesting tutorial. I hope you enjoy it a lot. Now let's see what are the materials required for it. We would need a 3.5 mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, 3 colors. Now for me this would be the main color, and for making the nose and the eyes I will be going for the off-white and black color. And this is a small bow that you need to decorate your bear face. The tutorial for this I have already taken in my channel, so I shall give the link of this above for your reference. So let's begin. For this, first we need to start with a magic circle. Into this magic circle, I need to work 10 double crochets. So here I am done with my 10 double crochets. Now I need to pull the tail of the magic circle in order to close it, and then slip stitch into my first double crochet. Now the sequence for second row would be to chain 1 and then make 2 double crochet into each of the stitches. Since for the first row I had done 10 double crochet, so by the end of row 2 I will have 20 double crochets. So per stitch you have to make 2 double crochets. Now since I already mentioned that the face of the bear is done using flat circle principle, so we'll use the same method for making the face. So I'll do about 4 rows in the same way how a flat circle is done. I shall also provide you a link above where you can refer to how a flat circle is worked out. It's very easy. Now to just continue the sequence of working 2 double crochets into each of these stitches till the end of the row. Here I have come to the end of my second row. I have done about 20 double crochets. Now for the third row, chain 1 and work 1 double crochet into the first stitch, followed by 2 double crochets into the next. Pattern sequence for the third row would be 1 double crochet into the first stitch, followed by 2 double crochet into the next. So you continue with this sequence for the entire row. Here I am done with my third row, and at the end of the third row I am having 30 double crochets. Now for the fourth row, again I need to chain 1, and the sequence for this row would be to work 1 double crochet into each of the first 2 stitches, followed by 2 double crochet into the next stitch. So I have already done my first double crochet, this is the second, and into the third stitch I am working an increase, that is 2 double crochets into the same stitch. One, again into the next stitch, one more, and into the third stitch 2 double crochets. So this will be your pattern sequence for the fourth row. You just continue with this sequence till the end of the row. So here I am done with my fourth round, and at the end of the fourth round I am having 40 double crochets. I have slip stitched into the first double crochet. Now if you want the face to be more bigger, then you can go for the fifth round and you can work the increases as we have done for the flat circle. And in case if you want a smaller face, then you should have stopped at the third round itself and created the ears. So it is as per your choice how big or how small you need the face to be. Now next comes the ear part. For that I will be slip stitching into the next stitch and then skip the next stitch and work 2 double crochets followed by 3 triple crochets into the same stitch. This is my first. Second. And third. Again, I need to work 2 double crochets into the same stitch. First and second. Now I need to skip the next stitch. This will be the next stitch and work a slip stitch into the next. So this makes one of the ears. Now I need to work about 7 to 8 slip stitches to come to this side and make one more ear for the bear. So I have already done one of the slip stitches. Now I will work about 7 to 8 slip stitches. This will be the second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. Now once this is done, again I need to skip the next stitch and work the same pattern sequence, that is 2 double crochets followed by 3 triple crochet, again 2 double crochet all into the same stitch to form the next ear. So this will be the first double crochet followed by second. Now I will be working the 3 triple crochets. And 2 more double crochets all into the same space. So this completes my ear. Now I need to slip stitch into the next stitch. I need to skip the adjacent stitch and slip stitch into the next stitch. So your face part is done. Now the second step would be to sew the eyes, snout and the bow to the bear. Now while cutting this yarn, you remember to leave a long tail so that this can be used to sew your bear face applique to any of your crochet work. So now let's make the snout part. Now in order to make this, again we are using the same flat circle principle, but earlier for this I had worked a magic circle and made 10 double crochets inside the circle. But in this case we will be making a magic circle and working about 8 double crochets inside the magic circle. So here I am done with my 8 double crochets. Again I'll pull the tail of the magic circle and close it and slip stitch into my first double crochet. Now for the second row, again I will be making increases in each of the stitches, chain 1 and work 2 double crochet per stitch. So by the end of second row, I'll be having 16 double crochets. So you continue this till the end of the row, working 2 double crochets per stitch. So here I am done with the second row for the snout. So I think this would be fine enough. So I'll cut my yarn. Again I am cutting a bit longer yarn which can be used to sew it to the face part. Now before sewing that, I shall put the yarn of the magic circle on the back part of the snout and cut off the excess part. Now I have put my black yarn into this needle. Now in order to make this Y kind of shape, what I'll be doing is I'll insert this black color yarn into the center of my magic circle and work like this about 2 to 3 times. And going downward. Once this is done, just go to the back part and tie knots. Get the yarn. Now we'll be joining this snout portion to our bear face like this. Just hold it like this. Just in this way, going around the stitches. So here I'm done with the nose part, I'll just go back and tie knots. Just cut my yarn. Now this all depends on your own creativity. If you feel you want it to be more protruding, then what you can do, you can just stuff a little bit of cotton before sewing all the way around, so that it will just give a 3D effect. So you can do like that also. But here I have just simply stitched it. So the next comes the eyes part. So for making the eyes, I will insert my needle like this, just on the upper part of the nose, and what I will do is I'll just pass through one of the stitches like this, and then I will just turn around like this about 10 times. I have already done 2 times. Loosely. You need not do it tightly, you should do it loosely. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. So once this is done, you have to just slip the needle through all the stitches, and this you have to just curve it like this to form a eye, and then pull it from the back. Again go to 2 to 3 times from the center. Just like this. So that it holds in place. So one of the eyes is done. Now again you have to repeat it for the next eye too. For that I will go to the back part and align the eye over here. Again we need to do the same thing, go under one of the stitches. Just hold it and pull my yarn through it. And once it's done, I'll just roll it in this way so that it forms a circle kind of thing, and then put my needle on the back part. Again I'll be going from the center of this and stitching on 2 to 3 times. So here the second eye is also done. In case if it's difficult for you, then one other option will be to make a magic circle and make about 3 to 4 half double crochets into it and pull the tail of the magic circle and then stitch it onto the top of the bear face. So even that option will be good if you find difficulty in doing this. Now I'll put my yarn on the back part and tie knots. I'll put the excess part of yarn on the back side. And cut off the extra yarn. Again, for the tail of the magic circle, I'll be putting it on somewhere back part. And cut off the excess yarn. So now your bear face is almost done. Now the next and final step would be to attach this bow to the face. Now if you're going for a girl kind of face, then you can sew it somewhere over here or here somewhere like this. For this boy face, what I've done is I just put a bow as if it appears like a bow for the coat that the bear is wearing. So I'm planning to go for a girl face. So what I'll do is I'll just hold this bow over here and using a very fine hook, I'll pull one of the yarns like this and again one yarn from here, and instead of sewing this bow, I'll just tie knots. So you can do this for 2 to 3 times. So that completes your bear face. I'll just put the extra yarns inside. Now for this you need not put it back, since I've already tied 2 to 3 knots, and cut off the extra yarn. And this yarn can be used to sew your applique to any of your crochet works. So this bear face applique can be used to decorate many of your crochet work like baby cardigan or baby sweaters, pants, ponchos, whatever. And if you make it smaller, for example of this size, then you can attach it to the baby shoes and socks. That will make your crochet work very attractive and lovely. So I hope this tutorial was useful for you. If you have any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.